Java Programming Operator Precedence. Operator precedence. In Java, operator precedence determines the order in which operations are performed in an expression. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before those with lower precedence. Operator precedence table. Precedence operator type associativity. 1 parentheses. Array subscript left to right. 2 postfix increment decrement left to right. Right to left 3 prefix increment decrement. Unary plus, minus, bitwise not, logical not. 4 multiplication division, modulus left to right. 5 addition, subtraction left to right. 6 bitwise shift operators left to right. 7 relational operators left to right. 8 equality operators left to right. 9 bitwise and left to right. 10 bitwise exclusive OR, XOR left to right. 11 bitwise inclusive or left to right. 12 logical and left to right. 13 logical or left to right. 14 ternary conditional right to left. Assignment operators right to left. Key points. 1. Multiplication, division and modulus have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. 2. Bitwise and logical operators follow relational and equality operators. 3. Assignment and compound assignment, etc. have the lowest precedence. 4. Operators with the same precedence are evaluated based on their associativity. Left to right or right to left. 5. Parentheses have the highest precedence and can be used to override default precedence. Thank you.